people. This is your girl Mia from Her Southern Touch. And tonight we're going to make a quick lemon pound cake. Someone's been begging me. I promised I would make it for them. So I'm going to make a quick lemon pound cake tonight. Just walking you through the steps. It's simple. Hope everybody's doing well. I am. Been a long week. But tomorrow's Friday. Excuse me. Dropped a little tissue. Okay. I'm going to toss this from washing my hands. So here, I'm going to add 3 of these. The little sticks of butter. And this is salted butter. But you can use unsalted if you want to. I've already washed my hands, as you saw. So this is Mia's recipe. You can use your own recipe. You can do it your way. This is the way I'm doing it, okay? So this is butter. It's been at room temperature for a couple of hours, okay? So we're going to turn it up. We're going to mix it on stir low. Get it going. I'm also going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. So if you choose to use it, you can. If not, that's fine too. But I'm going to add this to the product. And just get it open here. I'm going to let that come together and cream together. Add our cream cheese. 8 ounces. Cheese here on the packet. And stop it a second because you want to stir. Make sure everything is blended. Of course, you need to make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature as well. So we want it to blend together. Okay, so I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Stop it, stick it on the paddle, and get it all. I need it all to come together to combine as one. This is what you're looking for. You want it all to come together. Cream cheese as well as the butter. As you can see, it's coming together well. I'm going to stop it again. I'm going to make sure we got it all off the paddle. Okay. I'm going to stir it one more time. I have it on level 4 here. So now I have 6 eggs. That's because I have to make 2 cakes. So I'm only going to use 4 for this cake. Take that back, I got 8 eggs. I'm only going to use 4. For this cake. We're going to add 1 egg at a time. But during this process here, I'm going to slow it down. We're going to add our sugar. This is 2 cups of sugar to the process. You can add less sugar if you like. It's up to you. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Stop it. You want it all to come together. Excuse me. And this is just for 1 lemon pound cake, okay? So I've already shredded some lemon peel just from 1 lemon. And you can just do that. You can grate it, rather. Not shred. Grate it. Off a box grater or the new grater that they have. I have the box grater. And I have a ½ cup of lemon juice. I have a teaspoon of baking powder. I have a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. So And once we get this process, we turn it up to make sure all the gases are out of the process. It should look like creamy, like light. That's what we're looking for. This usually takes a couple of minutes. We want the cake light, not heavy. You know, like some of us, we want it light. I'm gonna stop it, and as you can see, everything has come together. Now, I know it's a couple people who's upset with me because I haven't done the other requests. I'm going to get to them. Now, tomorrow, I will be doing probably some grilled chicken breast and mushroom and kale and a starch. I'm not sure what starch I'm going to use this year. I don't want potatoes. Maybe some rice. Another kind of quinoa rice that I have. Okay? Now I'm going to stop it and add 1 egg. Some people don't like to do it that way. They like to already have it and stir it. I'm going to stop it. Add 2 eggs to the process. Start it back up and wash my hands. Another egg to the process and another egg. So that'll be a total of 4 eggs that I've added to the process. So now a 3rd egg is going in. 3. I didn't stop it, but it's okay. 4. And let's continue. I have 2 cups of sifted flour that I've already sifted. Baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon. Lemon juice, 1/2 cup. Grated lemon, from 1 lemon, I'm going to add to this process as well. Let me scrape it down. I want to make sure we get everything in there. This is lemon pound cake now. We won't be using milk for this process. If you use milk, you can if you want to. Not for mine. I don't need milk for this one. But if you want to add it, you can. Put your little twist on it. Just trying to keep you out the stores from purchasing these things when you can make them at home. It's fun if you make it at home. Makes the house smell good, taste good, and then you even look good. I walk out the door looking like a lemon. Who knows? Somebody know you cook lemon cake. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Now when I add this flour to it, you have to turn it down because the flour will be over all of us. The camera woman, myself, and the screen. So I'm going to turn it down on stir. And we're going to add a little bit to the process. So look. Okay. Flour has been added. I'm going to stop it, get it off the sides. And when you really start doing this, it really doesn't take that long. But recording it for you guys can make it a little difficult. But hey, I got my happy face on, so let's do it. So we're going to turn it back on. Now I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Slowly to the process. And I'm going to add my baking soda and baking powder to the process. Now me, I always like to add a half a teaspoon of oil. To me, they just make the cakes a little more. That's what I like to add. But you can do it your way. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to. So this is a half a teaspoon of vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever kind of oil you like. If you made your own oil, you can add that too. This is my grated lemon, 1 lemon. And then instead of throwing it away, the lemon, I take it and cut it in half and I boil it on top of the stove to make the house smell good. So you add all of that to the process. I'm going to take it out the sides again. Make sure it's all off, whipped inside at the bottom of the bowl. Make sure it's all mixed in. You can smell the lemon. We're going to bake this. My oven is already preheated to 350. I did not bake a cake already, so I will send the finished picture of what the cake should look like once it's cooked. Now you cook this for at least 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes, depending on the type of oven that you have. I don't know what kind you have. You have Samsung, the latest technology, or maybe you got, I don't know, something that runs on its own. You just tell it how long to cook. But in Mills oven, I cook it at 350 for an hour and 15 minutes. I've already sprayed my bundt pan, so all I'm doing is ready to add the mix to it and bake it off. And I will come back to you guys with the finished product. And I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I want to thank you guys for hitting the bell. I want to thank you guys for leaving comments. And I just want to thank everybody for just paying attention to Mia on her Southern Touch. And again, I will be back on tomorrow with another healthy meal for us to use, which will be probably grilled chicken breast, kale and mushrooms, and probably some type of rice, quinoa rice, some type of rice, because it won't be potatoes. I'm not a friend of potatoes. So we're going to bake this off and we'll be back. And I want to thank you again. Have a great day.